I Hae a Wife of My Ain by Robert Burns was the name of the tune. Well, the book I have it from is called I Have a Wife of My Own. Same thing. So he had the title and he wrote the rest of the words. I hae a wife of my ain, I'll partake in naebody, I'll gie cuckold to nane, I'll tak cuckold frae naebody, I hae a penny to spend, there thanks to naebody, I hae naething to lend, I'll borrow frae naebody. I am naebody's lord, I'll be slave to naebody, I a good braid sword, I'll tak dunts frae naebody, I'll be merry and free, I'll be sad for naebody, naebody cares for me, I care for naebody. Little bit of defiance there. Yeah. I have the tune from Neil Stewart's 1761 book of reels and country dances, where it's called I Have a Wife of My Own. Dunts, I'll tak dunts frae naebody, I will take blows from nobody with a sword. Dunts, D-U-N-T. That's it. There's no more to say. This is not going to be one of my 15-20 minute videos with lots of exposition. But never fear, another one will be along soon. Please subscribe to my channel and be well in this swirling world.